Hi guys, so today I will make a quick tutorial for the Osis sound, which sounds like this. And yeah, to learn this sound, you need two things. The first thing is to know how to do the laser whistle, which sounds like this. And yeah, to get this sound, first you need to put your tongue right under your upper teeth like this. Your lower lip to cover your tongue and your teeth. Now a little bit to make it easier. Important part is to have the hole between your lip and your tongue like this, and then just blow up, and from times to times you will get the laser whistle. And yeah, from this position you must put your lip in this position like this. From this position, put in this position, and you must know how to do the laser whistle in this lips position. And yeah, is the hardest part to get. And from this position you just need to do the lip bass, and then you will get the Osis sound. You can combine your voice in the lip oscillations to make it more thick in the texture. Bye bye guys.